Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel and you know you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So about this week that passed, right, we actually talked about our AUD USD giving us a bullish move, which we actually did. You can see that we actually had a bullish move. You can see the weekly time frame, our price opened and closed bullish. We actually predicted this move that we will be having a bullish move, which we actually did, right? So this week now, we want to predict today's price will be moving for this week. So in order to be able to understand this properly, right, I want us to actually start from the higher time frame down to the 4 hour time frame, and I'll tell you how to place this trade and why we'll be going such way this week. So for starting with the full trend, we'll start with the monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, the trend for the monthly time frame is a bearish move. So clearly you can see that this price is dropping. Secondly, is that I've included this moving average, right? Those which is 10 period moving average. Those of you that trade this moving average, you all know how to place this trade. Once the price is below the 10 period moving average, it is a sell. You have to short it, right? But once it is above the moving average, it is a buy. We have to go long. So clearly, we can see that this price is a sell. It is below the 10 period moving average. So on the monthly aspect of it, we are on a bearish move. But now, how the price is playing out a bullish move, which we would consider this as a pullback right level, which would be over any time soon. So just have it in mind that USD itself will start giving us a bullish move. One of the reasons why we are seeing this spike up in this AUD is we are seeing a fall on our dollar, right? Or we are seeing a fall on our USD or DXY. But sooner or later, the USD itself will start picking up. If you see the analysis on the technical aspect of it, which I'll be doing DXY analysis. You can check the channel for it. So that is it, right? So let's start this movement. Let's see this trend for this AUD. We can take this as a lower lows, and why we consider this as a correction, we see this as a lower lows, take this as a correction, kind of like top. Price, does not continue that up movement, the price dropped. You can consider this as a correction. Guess what, again, price dropped. And what are we having next is a correction on this AUD USD. So after the correction is over, right, we will continue our bearish move. So like I said, the USD itself, possibly next week, the upper week, after this week, the upper one, or the next 3 weeks, or I just don't know, right? Though soon the USD itself will start picking up. So once it starts picking up, then any other currency pairs to our USD will definitely fall. So that is why I said AUD will still have a fall, but as at now, the price is giving us a bullish move. So since we want to trade what we see and not what we think, we would still want to continue our bullish move on this AUD USD. So that should take us to the weekly time frame. So like I said, the full trend again, you can clearly see this is a bearish move, right? So you see that price has reacted to this level, which is one of the reasons why I highlighted it. You see that this price has come to this level, then price went up. You see this huge candlestick wick. I think price came back to this, right? Then price went up. We saw price again at this level, and it went up. Then we saw price drop to this level. We give us a pullback. Now price has broken below it. Of course, we expect a pullback, which price has gotten to it. So, like I said, sooner or later we will continue our bearish move. But as at now, are we going to have that bearish move? Well, I don't think so. What I think this week is that price should also give us a bullish move, right? Let us see it actually come to take out this level first for this week. At least from year to year, we should have about 91 pips, right? This week that just finished, we actually opened and closed there, which gave us about 90 pips bullish moves. So once the market opens next time and it starts from here and closer to this level we are talking about, we should have like close to 100 pips. Let's just hit a level of, let us just assume 95 pips, right? So from here to this level that we just talked about will be 95 pips. So this level that I am aiming for is a level of 0.68430. So AUDUSD, I'm aiming for this price for this week to actually get to this level, which means it will give us a bullish move. Then once it can hit this level this week, then I strongly believe AUDUSD will drop for that. But first of all, we are still on an uptrend. One of the reasons is that you can take a look at this moment above the moving average. Like I said, once the price is above the moving average, you would want to go long, right? Still trade what you see and not what you think, right? Though soon or later, price will drop, but as at now, price is giving us a bullish move, so it makes sense for us to actually go bullish with this our AUD USD. So that should take us to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, what is the trend for this clearly bullish move? We can consider this as an impulse move. Here is a correction. Now this as an impulse move. Here we will take it as a correction. So we would see this as an impulse move which broke this previous highs, right? And here is a correction on AUD USD. This is an impulse move. Here comes the correction, right? Guess what again we are having? We are making an impulse move. This is one of these why I said we would want to hit this level, which is a level of 0.68430, right? So by that time this price gets to this level that we just talked about, it should have broken above this highs. This is our new highs, right? This is our highs, right? So price has corrected itself. Now we are making a new high, so this new high should be able to break this previous highs. So this is one of the reasons why this week we would aim for this price to actually break this highs to get to this level of 0.68430. Then maybe if price continues to go bullish, then we would go bullish with it. But if price reverse and starts dropping, which I think so, I believe it will happen, then we would want to go with it. First of all, trade with the trend, what it is showing us, and what we are seeing now is a bullish move, so it makes sense for us to actually go bullish with it. Secondly, is that the price is still above the moving average. Can you take a look at it? First of all, price give us a pullback, broke below it a little bit, corrected itself, push up. Now we can start, this price has given us a pullback to tap this 10 period. So we'll be expecting a bullish move. So AUD USD see a bullish move. Now to place this trade, we want to see what this for our time frame says. So this for our time frame says we are on a bullish move. So we can see this impulse move correction. Guess what we have next? Another impulse move. Should be able to tap this ice, which I strongly believe. Then after I tap the ice, then a pullback should be made. And guess what? A continuous bullish move upward on this AUD USD for the week. So AUD USD for the week, we'll be expecting a bullish move.